gets 3?
Yep.
Be careful, I already meatball.
I did too.
That's just what happens when you get old. Oh, I shot it. I didn't think you saw me.
If you so if you're running fast and you squat low, it'll slide. Yeah. It's like a super small duck walk though, like walking like really slow.
Do that Randy stands at
Just by the proximity of where.
All right, ready to eat?
The thing is, we don't
All right.
can't even start after we get down low. Like I have to tell like
Your tongue's gonna be over here.
Maybe over here.
For the
Saturday of the first layout weekend. We're out here at Prime Paintball. All right, warming up. Ends up being nice and cold, about 40 degrees right now. So it's gonna be a good grind. See how it goes. An hour in and we've already played a bunch. Fast field. All right, listen up. 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004. So it's almost 12:30 and it's warmed up like, I don't know, 10 degrees. It's almost 48 degrees now, you know, but there's a nice cold breeze. It's not helping things. Oh well.
good shirt there, brother.
Oh yeah, I love the shirt. Your dudes blew a bunch of holes in it today. But,
Stop it. We did.
Doesn't look as good now.
Great job. Great job. A lovely morning. Typical. Heavy downpour and about 42 degrees outside right now, so we're gonna figure out something. Hey man, grind, rain or shine. Holy moly!
It's coming.
Yeah, you hear the thunder. We got another major storm coming, and
Is it really?
yeah, and whew, all right, and it's cold. Ugh. All right. It did. That fog's getting up. Old man's getting in some laning with him as well. Yeah, I think we can make that shot. Which shot? Good question. We're at Zaxby's. Yeah. It's been a crap day. We're gonna get some warm food in us. Turned out Sunday has been a bad day. Just mud, rain, cold. But hey, we learned some stuff and you know, get back at it. So, see y'all soon.
Fourth place, guys.
You know, it's really nothing new. Because I mean, we had 2 events last season where we had a full weekend's practice that didn't have like.
World Cup was the only perfect 2 weeks because everybody was there.
Oh, it's still recorded.